3 days overdue. Give us a look. The viewers want to see the tummy.
I don't know if they actually.
They want to see the tummy. Pull her out. Holy shit. It's been a stressful few days. We're going stir crazy in the house, and if she doesn't decide to grace us with her presence tonight, I'm getting up early in the morning, I'm going fishing. "13, 14 days later, since we last spoke, Brooksy didn't get to go fishing that next morning. Because, as I said, once I packed my stuff to go fishing, she did a big spew. Once I packed my stuff to go fishing, that decided to come out. Didn't it, darling?
What?
But yeah, no, I haven't been fishing in ages. It's been pouring, flooding, everything happening. So this video is still going to be a bit of a compilation because I don't like my chances today, but see you bye.
See you, bye-bye.
We might catch a fish, might not, but I've got a bunch of little half days up my sleeve that I will use to bring us a bit of action into this possibly not much action video. Watch out, Yemen. So let's go. I'm gonna go barra fishing. And it's gonna rain again any minute. So I'm hoping that the rain kind of stirs them up and we can go get the job done. We've got a real special guest today as well. Never caught a barramundi before. He's only been here for 8 months. Never caught a barramundi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I got ready. Yeah.
Yeah, you got ready. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Barramundi today, maybe you think?
Let's go.
You think barramundi?
I think catch Barramundi. Yeah.
Okay.
One catch.
One catch.
Yeah.
What is it?
Rain.
Rain. Ruh. Oh look, where's Ricky? Oh my god! No fish. 5 bites. No fish. Car wash. The boys are back at it here. Day 2, we got a new recruit on board, Hutcho. He's here. Yuki is ready.
I got ready.
Hutcho's just lost his rod overboard somehow. Hold on. Come to Brooksy. Come to Brooksy.
Yeah.
First catch. Oh! Man. This is good. This is barra fishing, boys. Hondashi.
I think that goes, my favourite food is Japanese food. Hands down.
Yakisoba.
Oh, see, I don't do the noodles.
I like the noodles, man.
I'll do
Yakisoba.
I tried jellyfish when I was living there.
Oh, no, thank you.
Yeah, I didn't dig that. Did not dig that. No.
Do you eat jellyfish?
Yeah.
What about fugu?
Yeah, fugu, yeah.
You like it?
I like it.
I just like a good old teriyaki beef don.
Ah, yeah.
Hutcho's on, baby. Good fish, good fish. I heard the bite, man, underwater.
Yeah. Score.
Sagoy.
Score.
Nice, bro, just easy now. Oh, he's a real good fish, dude. You're right, you're right, you're right. You're right. Come back up, come back up, come back up if you can. Real good fish, Hutcho. Oh, nice fish, bro. Still got him. I'll get the net. Not fucking around. Where is he? Lift, lift, lift. Oh, rod tip down. Yep. Nice, Hutchinson. Oh, he's a good fish, bro. Meter barra. Yep, bring him. One more wind. Drop your tip. That's it. Yeah, bro. Nice one. Oh, not good for my back. Help. Help required. Whoa.
Oh, that's a proper one.
That's what we're talking about, boys. Old Hutcho.
The curse is broken.
This is Barramundi, yeah. You know? First one you've seen. Big size.
Big.
Let's give him a measure. Oh. Meter? Or like 95 or something? I don't know. Oh, just short. 98. Can't complain with that. Sick.
I guess he's ready.
Yeah. Yuki-san. Good size, I think. Hoya. Oh, frog bite. That's okay. Nice fish. Lift.
Oh.
Nice catch.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Yes.
Beautiful fish.
Yeah.
He's bigger than your first one.
Oh yeah.
Really nice. Cheers. You keep casting, bro. Oh, Yuki Yamamoto.
Yeah.
Strong. Strong fish, man. Support. Yeah, yeah. Oh, careful. Just hand on the belly, yeah. Strong. Hold strong. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. What do you think of the Barramundi?
嬉しい. Happy. I got to catch bar.
Do you want to measure?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Maybe 80 centimeter, maybe 75. 74.
74.
Nice fish. Nice, bro.
Thank you.
Woo!
Oh.
Got him. That's better, Matthew.
Hey.
Oh my, he's in the tree. Look at this, look at my line, look at my line. Dude,
Right,
dude, I need to get after him.
Look at him where he is!
Yeah, I know.
Give me the remote.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
such a dingus again, man.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
He's way out there, bro.
Yeah. Nice cast from the Brooks there.
Oh, spotting.
Yeah, great. Oh, yeah. Oh, I don't even know where he is, dude. He's nearly spooled me.
He's out here.
I'm shrubbing on everything.
Last time I saw him, he was out on the right.
You see my line on that tree?
I see bubbles here.
Yeah. Stick. Hoping this is just weed. Just go slow here, because he could be anywhere. Look at this. Oh, there he is.
We'll get him. At least it's not the proper berry weed. He's in.
He sent it, man.
He
Just
nearly-
slow. He nearly what?
Yeah, you'll cut through that. He nearly dolphin barred.
Not really cutting through this. Chewy. How? Maybe we're on a stick.
Nah, he's just gone through it.
Gentle. Only 30 pound.
Oh, this.
Yeah. That was a proper shellacking through the bushes.
Still on.
Don't pull too hard. I don't know how that's not cut through.
Because it's deep.
Gentle. Oh, he's here. Look, he's here.
Oh yeah, I'm getting him. I'm getting him. Yours.
He's just here, man. Oh, I got a tip wrap. Hold on. That's getting somewhere.
Reckon.
Look, he's just here.
I reckon cut through. Show me to cut through a bit more.
Yeah.
Get that angle.
The fish is, yeah, stop. Look at what we're pulling, man. Hold on.
Oh, he's just here.
We got him.
I felt him. Oh, don't kick.
I can't believe that around the tree situation then, dude. My whole line was just going. Bit of farming, is it? Oh, there he is.
Grab him?
Yeah, grab him. He's not bad. Oh, he's sharp.
Yeah, good fish.
There we go, boys. It's on the, what was it? The Duo Boom Wake. Like a clear, silvery, glittery one. Mauled it. Gave us all sorts of drama in the bushes, and we're going to get him back. There you are. Look at the shouldies on him. Squeeze. Squeeze, Brooksy. Oh. It's not orange, is it?
The boys have still got it.
It's not orange, Matt.
But the boys have still got it. Oh, there he is.
Oh.
See you, mate.
That was pretty fun.
Great fish.
Fuck, you had me in all sorts.
There we go. Still filming.
Mint.
Yep.
Okay. Rod left a little. You're a bit short of him, I think.
On it, I think.
No. No, you're a little bit
Yeah,
behind
yeah.
him. That'll do it. That'll do it. On it. No.
Oh my god!
Go again.
He's coming up a bit.
Yeah. This is it.
Oh. Oh my gosh, bro.
So that's gonna be the best ride you've ever fucking
Bro!
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm swinging on him, dude. He's big, man.
Did you feel me getting closer to you?
Dude. Wow. Wow. Oh, I'm just holding on to him. He's so mad. Oh, yes. Wow,
That was
Brooks.
pretty sick. I was like, know how I'm floating right here. Alright, I'm gonna get my shit together.
Jack?
Oh my god, it was a jack. Is that a jack? Oh my god, it was a jack. Sea fish in here. Oh my god, Manny. Oh, that's trash. Got him. Got him. That's a jack, boys. That's a sick little jack. Sick. Alright, fellas. Let's have a look at this guy. He's actually pretty good. He's not bad at all. For a morning. 5 minutes into the sesh. Look at that. Beautiful little jack. That's that duo boost wake Bucky. Give him a little measure here. It's a nice little start, boys. Look at this guy go. Look at how red he is. See, mate. There he goes. Boys are on the board here. I think I might have spooked the rest of them off this log, but it's probably worth another cast just to make sure. Oh, got him. Another one, boys. Another one. That was sick. He came out from under the log. Not quite as big, this guy. That's 2 jacks. Day 3 of the fishing bender here. Bill Galpin, the big red shed, he's back. Close enough?
Yeah, probably now.
So right, off the right side of the bommy.
No.
Just wait 1 sec. Yeah, if you can reach, go. Bill, you gotta open the bail arm, dude. Yeah, real good. They're coming. Got him? Sick. Oh, bro, there's so many, dude. Yeah, Billy. They're all on him, man. I'm going to cast in as well.
Hold them out there for a sec.
No, you're up. You just do your thing. Let's see if they'll eat this one as well. Yeah, bruh. That was so sick on the drone.
See if I fucked that first cast.
Oh, I reckon it makes it better, actually. Hold on 1 sec. Epic, man. Alright, I'll grab him for you.
Hey, how just hanging around?
How sick was that? Galpin! Bring him over here. Nice work, man. Oh, he's not small either. He's good fish. Like, he's not massive.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Yeah. 1 second. This little hold up. The big red shed. Nice one, bro. That's awesome. Yeah, spear him. Because you took the shirt off, you want to get that thing on real quick. Bill. More. Big ones. Where'd you go? Just don't move it, don't like stomp around or anything for a sec. Oh yeah, I see him. Didn't spook. He's coming. Oh, got him. Got him, Bill. Got him. Oh, I pulled him.
R.I.P. rat.
That's a real...
Debbie Downer.
I got the full body tingles, man.
I thought he was so good.
He was done.
Yeah.
I had
On
him.
the edge of the reef too.
I was dragging his ass off there. Oh, bro. Schlam's on again. Holy shit. Are we losing track? How many have we caught?
We're on now.
Look at the hooks.
I was burning over to another one, and this one just came out of nowhere.
Fast.
Yeah,
Fast retrieve really gets them,
This one
mate.
just came up, straight up.
Oh. Oh, bring him around here. Bring him around this side. These lures, get them, mate.
Oh, that was first cast with that lure, eh?
Yeah. You know, sir?
Natural gold. In the gullet.
Oh shit, nearly chucked me right overboard. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Yeah, danger.
Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, another one, Schlam.
Oh. In.
Live mullet. First cast with the live mullet for land. Oh, big one on the screen. Gotta go.
Okay.
Oh, do it.
Yes.
Oh, I'm just behind him. Short of him as well. Don't move for a sec. Lamb, lamb.
Oh,
I
he's a
can't,
good one too, bro.
bro, I can't believe I just took my GoPro off.
No!
Oh!
Right in the boat!
Oh,
Oh my
I
god!
pulled him.
No!
I pulled him.
Was he solid?
Holy shit! That one was filming.
Oh, what? Bro, that was right at the boat.
I saw his, you could see his mouth
The
open.
burn.
Oh, lamb, lamb.
It's the burn.
Lamb.
Got him.
He charged it.
Nice there, Brooks. Nice. Oh, you wrapped that?
No, look, there's a knot there. I think I popped him.
Spaghetti.
Yeah,
wrap.
popped him. Or he reefed me, one of the two. Give the viewers a little lowdown on what we're doing today, Ben. Tell them how you feel about it.
I'm out with the Brooks at the moment. We're giving him 7 shots. Hooked one.
Godfrey's had his 2 casts for the year.
I've had my 2 casts 2 days ago. Yesterday was a lay day, waiting for a new swell.
Comp was off.
Comp was off yesterday. I saw him eat it. I saw him eat it. Yes.
We got him.
Nice, the Brooks. Well done, brother.
Not a small one. Not a small one, Godfrey.
Nice. I saw him tip on that too. That was sick.
Yeah. He's massive.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Nice.
Slow down a bit, buddy. Don't go out there. How was I was so stressed during those casts because there's like, again, like bad casts.
It's so sick seeing him come over.
I just want to get us away from this a little bit. He's aiming. Oh no, we should be okay. Aiming in to try and. Oh!
What happened?
I don't know.
Come out?
It's either pulled or popped. And if it's, I think it's popped.
No, oh no, you'll fly there or something.
Dude,
Fuck.
that's so annoying.
He
I fucking jammed him. I jammed him. Just pulled.
Fuck.
Fuck's sake. Oh.
Alrighty, very, very random video that you've just watched. If you've come this far, thank you. Jumping around all over the place from the dam to the reef to the flats to jack fishing in the creeks, everything. Been a little bit difficult to fish. Haven't really fished much at all in the last month just because of waiting for the baby to come, and then once the baby has arrived, it's been pretty hectic here, but getting into the swing of things. She's settling in nicely. She's epic. It's just full on like coming home from the hospital and not having a clue what to do. I think it's probably 1,000 times gnarlier than what people told me it was going to be, but that's all right. And we're getting there, which is good. Whole new realm of life, which is cool. On that, I want to say a big thank you to everyone that's reached out in the last few weeks and with congratulations, messages, well wishes, all that kind of stuff. Thanks heaps. Pretty cool. And the other thing I thought I'd jump on here real quick, and I've just had this arrive yesterday, and it's that exclusive and kind of hard to get at the moment that I have to send this back actually, because I don't even have it yet. But that right there is the brand new 2025 Daiwa Saltiga. The guys from Daiwa sent me this one because they're doing a Saltiga. They're calling it the Saltiga Roadshow. So basically the gist of it is they're sending reels around the country from the 13th of Feb onwards. So you guys can go into your tackle store, get your hands on them, check them out, have a feel for them, and place a pre-order because they're coming very soon, and it's pretty bloody exciting. The previous 2020 Saltiga, I loved it so much just because of the extra strength in the gearing. I've said it many times before. I used to have problems with reels, blowing gear sets on when I was GT fishing because you're obviously cranking hard, setting hooks, heavy drag, all that kind of stuff. So the 2020 Saltiga for me was a real like step up in strength, and I didn't have that problem anymore, and this has gone even further. They've made the gears bigger again, bigger and stronger again. You can see there the size of the main gear, and for all that kind of stuff, it's just like, it's a game-changing thing, whether you're GT fishing for kingies, big giant tuna, all that kind of stuff. Really cool. There's a bunch of other little improvements and changes you can see here. I just noticed this, how there's this bevel in the bottom of the spool. I guess that's going to help with line lay as well when you're spooling up. Just little things like that, super interesting, and I haven't been able to fish with one yet. but I'm really excited to get them in my hands. But it's cool just to have a quick look. Let me read from my script here. I'm not very good at reading from scripts, but I'll give you a little gist of what's going on with the roadshow. The reels will be traveling around the country from the 13th of Feb to the 12th of March. You can check the Daiwa website to find out when they're going to be in your local area, so you can go down to your local tackle store and grab one, feel one, have a play around, because it's pretty bloody cool. My mum's ringing me for the 10th time today. Yeah, so you go down and you check out the roadshow. You place a pre-order, you go into the draw to win one of 5 of these reels, and you can also win some of the lures that Ryota designed for Daiwa, so which is pretty bloody rad. But man, listen to that. I don't like going like that and listening to that. I'd rather listen to it going like high speed singing, but super cool. For me, I'm obviously sponsored by Daiwa, but I made the change to Daiwa because I felt that their spin reels were the best spin reels in the world, and the first Daiwas I had I actually went out and bought. So yeah, pretty bloody cool. Check it out. Jump on the Daiwa website to check out the dates for the roadshow. You can get your hands on them, go and pre-order, and you will be one of the first people in the world to have one, which is pretty exciting. Like I said, I haven't even used one yet. I'm tempted to go spool this one up, but the guys at Daiwa will probably shoot me. But yeah, apart from that, that's life at the moment. We got a lot of stuff coming up this year. We have 12 films with myself and Benny Godfrey to come this year, which is really exciting. We got to get to it, and we're going to be traveling not only in Australia but across the world doing some pretty cool stuff that I'm going to keep kind of under wraps for now, but you'll see them when they're ready and when it happens, and hopefully we have smooth sailing, big fish, and yeah, that's the first video of the year done. It's a bit of a weird one, I know, but yeah, it's been a pretty wild month, as I said, so yeah, hope you enjoyed. Strap yourselves in, boys. These vids are going to be pretty good that are coming, so I'm really excited to do the Godfrey style films and be able to do like 12 of them this year is really cool for me and the channel, and it's also, I'm sure, going to be really cool for you guys as a viewer as well, because the feedback I've had from them is awesome. Like we said, we want to be at the tippity top